lovely Navratri presented by Zen Sparrow, all happening at Beyond Gallery for 3 days, today, tomorrow and day after. Collection में उनके पास बहुत सुंदर कापड़ा ब्लाउजेस, चनिया चोली, दुपट्टा, jewelry, all happening at Beyond Gallery. So what are you waiting for? Check out the collections. Swipe left. Continuing with Shah exclusive, these are all brass per silver coating pieces. Beautiful long માં એમની પાસે options છે. These can be worn yet again on sarees. They look very pretty. Navratri for Diwali as well. Then they have semi-precious stone માં भी અને precious stone માં બહુ જ બધી variety colors. Look at all those pieces. Along with beautiful Afghani pieces, definitely yes. Dual tone mein if you're looking for something, they have that. Chokers, long chokers, tight chokers, something in stonework if you're looking for. Then you want something delicate. Look at all those beautiful pieces. Very pretty. And they also have these kadas and bangles now on option છે એમની પાસે that go very beautiful with sarees, festive, beautiful. So this entire section is Shah exclusive. Hello everyone, so the beautiful jewelry that I am wearing with these beautiful bangles, this is all urban ethnicity. And अगर आपको और pieces देखने हैं, let me show you some very beautiful pieces. So these are all handmade by Rupal Jain. Look at that. Handcrafts all these pieces उन्होंने खुद से बनाए हैं. सारे जो भी हैं, these are all handcrafted. She also has these very pretty chokers. Look at beautiful. Then some Hasli options as well. Look at that. Very pretty. If you want something in dangling, then ये भी option है उनके पास. Along with that, if you want options for bangles, then they have that also. These are very pretty. And then they have something for hair accessories. Little girls के लिए छोटी छोटी accessories है उनके पास. Look at that. Very pretty. And moving on to some dupatta options. Yes, ma'am.
We have some lightweight but heavy look like dupatta.
Okay.
આ બધું જ આપણું પ્યોર કામ છે. See this.
Very
Padding માં
pretty.
भी ચાલે એવા dupatta. We have some option in black and white as well. We have some in green. Vintage
Beautiful.
one dupatta. We have pure bandhani and ajrak dupatta. We have tissue dupatta.
Okay.
We have white one. We have patchwork dupatta.
Okay.
We have leria. Again we have bandhani dupatta. We have tissue, pure tissue.
Very
we have
pretty.
this kind of pretty handwork dupatta.
Okay.
મને નીચે patchwork આપ્યું છે.
Okay.
Again we have some this heavy dupatta. All other heavy dupattas.
Beautiful.
Pure work, pure vintage, pure mirror with vintage kanchi.
Very pretty. Look
Yes.
at that. Continuing with Radiant Jewels, they have more options for long neck pieces also. So as you can see, these are all yet again statement pieces which you can wear over sarees, quad sets, Navratri wear. Even if you want to give a boho look to your wardrobe, then this is the right beautiful pieces. Look at that. Some tight chokers and chokers for little girls as well. Beautiful options છે એમની પાસે. Look at all those options. They have these very pretty earrings के options as well. Look at that. Look at that one as well. Very pretty. Along with all of this, they have beautiful statement ring option as well. So as you can see, very pretty, beautiful. So this is their entire rack as I showed you. This is brand Radiant Jewels and they have come up with beautiful jewelry options for Navratri, festive and much more. Hello everyone, so this is brand Urban Ethnicity again. They have brought beautiful bags ke options. Look at that. Okay, so आ जाओ और भी options we show you. They have beautiful options in these statement pieces. ये पूरा neck piece है with earrings. Then they have lot of options in bangles as well, as you can see. Very pretty bangles. Then they have added these new pieces to their collection. ये सारे इनके new pieces है. Again, all this is handcrafted by Rupal Jain. So very pretty. Look at that. If you want pura statement piece, then you can wear something like this as well. This is very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. So this is brand Radiant Jewels. Hello ma'am.
Hello, hi.
Okay. So એમનું જે આખું કલેક્શન છે, they have beautiful necklaces, earrings as well as skada options. This entire section that you are seeing is of stone jewelry. તો એમણે આખું એનું કલેક્શન કર્યું છે. Then this is જડતર. So as you can see, these are all tight chokers. They look very pretty, very beautiful. Like I said, they have beautiful bangles, skadas options. એમાં statement pieces બી છે એમની પાસે. Look at that. And then they have this entire beautiful section of statement necklaces where you will get beautiful options, coins ma, something in ghungroos as well, stone also. Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. And along with that, they have beautiful options of earrings as well. Very pretty. We have some more options of earrings here as well. Look at that. This is brand Zen Sparrow and they have come up with beautiful કાપડા options. Long માં તો એમની પાસે છે જ, પણ short માં બી એમની પાસે એટલા બધા options છે. Look at that. And આમાં કોઈ બી sizes ના હોય. So you have to, definitely wear it, check it out. એ કરવા માટે you will have to visit them at Beyond. Look at that. Beautiful. Blouses. Long blouses માં બી option છે. Plus sizes માં બી એમની પાસે options છે.
So આપણી પાસે આમાં blouses છે.
Okay.
The variety.
Alright.
Then we have some halter neck blouses as well.
Beautiful halter neck
Yeah.
blouses.
We have some sleeve માં work વાળા blouses.
Okay.
See the smart blouses.
Detail it.
Yes. We have some heavy blouses as well.
Okay.
We have some plus sizes. Maybe heavy blouses as well. We have some tissue blouses as well. We have lots of variety in blouses.
Okay, lovely. I'll show you the entire rack. જે એમનો છે. All variety of blouses. So this is brand Shah exclusive. Hello ma'am.
Hi. Today I bring this all the chokers made from the gemstones.
Okay.
All are the different color.
બ્યુટિફુલ જેમસ્ટોનમાંથી એ લઈને આવે છે અને એમનું જે હાઇલાઇટિંગ કલેક્શન છે અફઘાની કલેક્શન વેરી પ્રિટી વેરી બ્યુટિફુલ યુ વેર ધીસ એન્ડ યુ આર ગુડ ટુ ગો એમાં બી એમની પાસે દેન સ્ટોન્સમાં દે હેવ ડિફરન્ટ ઓપ્શન્સ
With pure silver.
This is pure silver. Look at that. Very pretty. So this you can use not just for Navratri but versatile pieces છે એમની પાસે. Along with that, ear cuffs ના બી બહુ બધા options છે with beautiful earrings. Look at that. Different earrings જે તમે party wear, Navratri, Diwali, festive. You can wear it, even for your routine office wear. Look at that. If you want something in party wear, then you can go for this. Look at that as well. Very pretty. Okay, so now let's check out some chaniya options. Yes, ma'am.
ચણિયામાં જે મેં પહેર્યા છે
Okay.
we have this color, we have this color and we have again pure લગડી પટ્ટામાં આ ટાઈપના કલર્સ છે અવેલેબલ છે. We have some shaded option as well.
Beautiful.
See this.
Okay.
We have some smart different pattern એમાં બી કલર્સ છે.
Very
We have
pretty.
pure mall collection.
Beautiful.
We have some kerchief.
Okay.
આપણે બધા જ we have some white options. We have some
Very
silk. We have pure silk. We have mull silk. We have different multicolor
Multicolor.
chaniyas.
Lovely.
We have red. We have in prints. We have layered chaniyas. We have pure mull.
Wow.
We have crepe. We have tissues.
So many
We have
options.
cotton. We have everything.
Right. Okay.